Okay, we're going to look at page 37, carrying on solving our fraction problems. Question 6. 4 children eat 2/9 of a chocolate cake each. What fraction of the cake do they eat in total? So we need to draw our cake and we're going to chop it up into ninths. So I'm going to chop it up into thirds first of all. And then each third I will cut into 9 parts, as equal as I can get it. So let's just double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 4 children eat 2/9 each. Okay, so see if you can work out how much of the cake was eaten. Have a go. Okay, so here is my cake. Here's my first child. I've got 4 children, so he's going to have that piece and that piece. This little boy, he's going to have that piece and that one. That could be a little girl. She can have that piece and that piece. Last person will have this piece and this piece. So that's the only piece left. So what fraction of the cake do they eat in total? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 slices were eaten and there was 9 altogether. So they ate 8/9 of the cake. Okay. Number 7, fill in the boxes. 1/2 of something is 9. So if we're talking about halves, draw our halving circle. If a half is 9, that should help you work out what your whole number was to start off with. Same with our thirds. Draw our thirding circle. 1/3 of something is 10. Okay. So the whole circle will be your answer. This one is slightly different. You will have to see how many 3s there are in 12, because that will tell you what your circle has been chopped into. So have a go at those yourself. Okay, so the 2 9s added up is 18, so 1/2 of 18 is 9. The 3 10s added up is 30, so 1/3 of 30 is 10. This one I had to start by finding out how many 3s are in 12, which was 4. So then I knew I could chop my circle into 4, put my 3s in it, just double check by adding them up that it did equal 12. And I know that if I've chopped something into 4, it is called a quarter. So a quarter of 12 is 3. Okay. So the next one. Amir eats 1/3 of a pizza and Joe eats 1/6 of it. What fraction of the pizza is left? So for this one, I'm going to draw a circle. I'm going to chop it into thirds to start off with. Colour in the part Amir ate, but then I'm going to chop it, use the same circle, but I'm going to chop it into 6ths to see what Joe ate, and then I'm going to try and work out what's left. So have a go at that one. Okay, Amir eats 1/3 of the pizza. So I've drawn my pizza, cut it into 3, and this is Amir's section that he ate. Now Joe eats 1/6 of it. So I'm going to have to get the pizza, and I'm just going to turn my fraction wheel into a 6th wheel. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Joe eats 1/6. So let's colour in Joe's bit. There we go. Joe eats that section. So that's Joe's part. And then my actual question is, what fraction of the pizza is left? Well, we've got 1, 2, 3 slices. And we're going to put our answer in 6ths. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 out of 6 is left, 3/6. Okay. Number 9, last one. Write in the missing number. So we've got to make this side equal this side. So I'm going to draw 2 circles. So this circle is going to be my halves, because half of something is going to be the same as a quarter of 24. So this is going to be quarter. So to find a quarter of 24, we will need to share 24 out into 4 pieces. Once we've found that, we should be able to use this information to work out that part of the question. Have a go at that one. Okay, so I had to find a quarter of 24. So I had to divide 24 up into 4 parts. And 24 divided by 4 is 6. So 1/4 of 24 is 6. Okay, so we're looking at this section here. And the calculation says that's the same as a half of our missing number. So if the 6 is the same as the half, then 2/6, 2 halves, will give us the missing number. So 6 add 6 is 12. So half of 12 equals 6, and a quarter of 24 also equals 6. Okay, thank you.